Guys, welcome to today's video tutorial guide. Today video tutorial guide, I will be showing you everything about PSCc, which is the Photoshop for mobile. So this is the PSCc over here. I will show you everything you need to know about this app called PSCc and how you can use it to hide light flares to your design. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I will launch the app over here, and once again the link to access this PSCc is in the description of this video. So kindly go to the description when you are done watching this video so you can access this PSCc. Okay, as you can see at the top screen right here, it says the Adobe Photoshop Touch. So it just helps you to what mainly this app does is that it helps you to enhance your design in giving it some kind of feeling and touch to make it pop. So in today's video tutorial guide, I will be showing you how you can use this app and everything. I'll be showing you personally everything I know about this app and now you can begin to use it. So if this is what you want, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your creative friends for them to also benefit from this video. So now let's get right into everything you have. So to import your image to this app, so you go over to this little box down here. There's this little box down here over here. So when you get to here, it will bring this option like you can see over here. So you want to choose a blank document. Maybe you want to design something, but I don't know how to design on this app, so I won't go deep into this part. So I don't use it to design. I use PixelLab to design. So I'll just go back, don't save. So when you click on this app, you will be able to bring, if you want to bring in your design from your library, you click on this photo from library and you go to the folder that you want to bring in. So let me just go over to my PixelLab so we can just work with something for the sake of this video tutorial guide. Okay, this is my PixelLab over here. Now let me just scroll down to some of my recent work that I did. Okay, some of my recent work that I did. Okay, let's work with this video picture over here now. So when you are done uploading maybe your design or picture you want to enhance, so if you want to add light flares to it, if you want to add light flares to your design, as you can see right here on this PSCc, you will either go to this last angle here, this one over here, and click on it and go to this plus stuff and bring in another photo layer. Go to photo layer, photo library. So when you go to photo library, bring in a light flares you already have on your mobile phone. So I have one of my light flares over here. So this is one of the light flares. So you bring in, this is the first one on how you can add light flares to your design using this Photoshop PSCc. So you click on OK and you still click on this icon again and click on this thing that look like a layer over here. So just click on it and go to this blend mode. When you go to the blend mode, to make it pop, to give it a screen to give it a light flares, you have to choose this screen option. Can you see the difference? So let me go over again. See this is the normal one, and when you go over to this screen, it will change it like this. So when you are done with that, you can easily close this stuff over here. Still on this one, still on this layer, you have to go to this hand feature at this top right of this screen. When you go over there, go over to this transform, then you'll be able to move. If you try to move everything, you will be destroying this thing. So you have to undo and you have to go over here. Make sure you are on the layer you want to work with, and we want to work on this light flares layer. So you click on it and go over to this hand virtual and go to transform. So when you are on transform, you'll be able to move the object, move the light flares to every angle, and you'll be able to increase the size. So let me just show you an example. For example, if I want to add light flares to this stuff, so I'll just increase and add this to the points I want to add it. For example, I can add it over here. So before that, let me just add it over here now. Let me walk around. Let me run it. And when adding light flares to your design, make sure there is a light source. Like, what do I mean by light source? Make sure there is a play background to make it realistic. When adding light flares, don't just add light flares to design because you want to make it pop. Yes, light flares makes your design pop, but one thing you need to notice is that you have to put it in a place that is realistic. More like when you are in the physical world, there's this place side, like the light flare, sun is always from the moon. So same thing applies to your design. Like this place now, it serves like, it makes this design look like there's a sun, there's a ray of light coming down to the whole design. Remember, this design is facing to the left hand side, so I'm adding this light flares to this side of the design to make it look like a sun is like flooding into the face of this our father-in-law, which is Pastor Adeboye. So I created this design flyer. If there's I think I'll create a video on how to create this flyer also. You can check the description if the video is ready. So going back to this video, so this is how to add light flares to your design. So just put it in a way that is more realistic. So when you're done with that, go to this right check mark at this down part and click on check mark, and to use that image again, you can just go over to this button and duplicate. If you duplicate, click on done and go over to this transform, and you'll be able to move the duplicated stuff. So when you move the duplicated stuff, so you can just, let me go over here, so resize, and you have this over here, so you can just add these two over here. So this is the first way on how you can add light flares to your design. So the second way you can also add light flares to your design right on this app is to go over to this go over to this hand button again. So when you get over to this button icon, it will bring a lot of tools you can work. So this one deals with how if you want to recrop your overall design, you can easily work with that, but I don't want to do that. And this one also image size. So there are basic things you can know. So I will undo this. Then okay, let's leave it. These are basic things you can just see. There are basic tools you can know on your own, but I'll be showing you just the complex one. I'll be showing you the complex one so you won't have trouble with it. And also this artist transform, the transform I showed you earlier, and this warp tool, what let me show you something. What that warp tool does is that go over to this stuff over here. So when you get over to this warp tool, just go over here, and what this warp tool does is that it helps you transform the elements. Can you see now that the light flare I added earlier, I can just work with it around, play around with it, and to work to my taste. Can you see the difference that the warp thing is doing to it? Can you see the difference? So this is how these warp tools work and helps you. So now to the next tool here also. So fill and stroke is not something like, it's something you don't work for. This gradient, I have a special video on how you can use these gradients and this fill tool. This fill tool helps you to blur model picture with the background. So I have a video in the description of the video that will show you how you can use this fill tool in the description. And now to the third part on how we can use how we can add light flares to a design from this app. So go over to this hand button at this top here and choose this lens flare stuff. So when you choose this lens flare stuff, when you choose the lens flare stuff, it will automatically add the lens flares to your design. So you get to choose the kind of what you want. If you want this Photoshop lens flares, you can choose this. This is spot one over here. This is spot one over here. Oh, sorry. Let me do something. Let me delete all these photos so we can see the new light flares we are adding to our design. So this is how to design thing. You want to design elements. So this is where to design to delete them. And we have this over here. So my phone is okay. So so now go over here again and go to this lens flare. So can you see now that the lens flare is coming out? So this is where you get to choose the kind of lens flares you want. If you want the Photoshop one, that is it. If you want the fantasy one, it's like it has their own work. So just do your own, just go around. And so I think this sunset will end. This is the sunset, it makes it yellowish. So now that you have this, you have the ability to choose the intensity. So if you increase it, can you see how strong it will be? And you can get to also reduce it also. You get to reduce it also. I think this is even simpler than importing your light flares, but you can see as we can do it, you can begin to use it also. And for this scale also, if you want to increase the size of the light flares, you want to increase how the intensity, the hardness. So this is where it is being done. So now to move the light flare around, so just click on that light flare. There's no okay, sorry, undo. Let me undo it. So this is on the button, undo this stuff over here. Okay, so sorry. Okay, let's go over and go to this light flares also. So we are still working on it. So click on it, and now we are on it. So now let's go over to this light flare again. Okay, I go over to the light flare. So you want to move it around, you can move it around while you are still on that button. So now if you move it, this is what you will have over here. So you get to even just drag it around and make it realistic. Just like I said earlier, make it realistic. Can you see that the one we have over here is very realistic? So let me just go over here again and increase the intensity a little bit. Okay, let me reduce it. So we have 6. Can you see that the light flares it has added to the design? It has added on it. So I can just say basically PSCc Touch on mobile phone helps you to add light flares to your design. It helps you to add light flares to your design. So this is basically everything I want to show you about this PSCc that I know. This is not what this app is all about, but this is basically what I want to show you on how PSCc work, how you can add light flares to your design and such other amazing stuff. So if you find today's video helpful, please help me to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and so when you are done, let's for example you are done working, you are done, click on this one and click on save. So to import this design to your gallery, this is how to import design to your gallery. You have to first click on this box over here. So when you click on it, you have to click on this save to gallery also. So when you are on this stage, you have to click on the image you want to save. You have to click on them. If you want to save as many as you want, but you'll be saving this. So when you click on the image you want to save, then you click on OK. And also, if for example, let's say if the picture is not a JPEG or is a PNG, make sure you select it here for it to give it a PNG. But this picture over here is a JPEG, so I leave it as JPEG. Click OK, and now this thing will save to your phone. So this is basically what everything I know for now on how you can use PSCc to add light flare to make your design pop. So if you find this video helpful, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.